Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about the chapter 2 of your chemistry. That one is solutions. What is solution? You know that solute and solvent mixes together to form solution. Means you can say any solution is made up of two components. Generally, solute and solvent combine together to form solution. What is the definition of solution? You have already read about this in class 11th. The homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called solution. Generally, a solution contains two components, solvent and solute. What is solute? Solute is that component of solution which is in lower concentration, means less amount. That component of solution which is in higher concentration is called solvent. Solute and solvent mixes together to form solution. When solution is made up of two components, solute and solvent. Solute and solvent combine together to form solution. If the solution contains only two components, then the solutions are called binary solutions. If solution contains more than two, means three components, then it is called ternary solution, and so on. Most of the solutions are binary solutions. Here I am going to teach you about the dilute and concentrate solution. What is dilute solution? What is concentrate solution? If the concentration of solute is very low in comparison to solvent, then the solution is called dilute solution. And if the concentration of solute is higher, then the solution is called concentrated solution. Here, one more thing, that one is saturated solution. What is saturated solution? The solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at constant temperature. That solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at constant temperature, then the solution is called saturated solution. How can you express the concentrations of solution? Concentrations of solutions can be expressed in many ways, which you have read in class 11th. But here also I am going to discuss about the normality. Second one is molarity. Third one is molality. And fourth one is mole fraction. Normality capital M, molarity capital M, molality small m, and mole fraction is X, or you can say chi. What is normality? Normality is the amount of, or you can say number of gram equivalents of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. The number of gram equivalents of solute dissolved in per liter of solution is called normality. Normality can be calculated by using this formula: mass of solute upon equivalent mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. What is molarity? Molarity is the number of gram moles of solute. What is the difference between this and this? This is the number of gram equivalents of solute, and this one is the number of gram moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. It can be calculated by mass of solute upon molar mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. What is molality? Molality is the number of moles of solute This one is also number of moles of solute, but this is the number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. And this is the number of moles of solute dissolved in per kg of solvent. This is the difference between this and this. Mass of solute upon molar mass of solute into mass of solvent in kg. This one is the molality. What is mole fraction? The ratio of number of moles of solute n solute upon n solute plus n solvent. This is the ratio of number of moles of solute with the number of moles of solute and solvent. This ratio is known as mole fraction. To find X solvent, we can use number of moles of solvent upon number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Means X solute plus X solvent equals 1. The mole fraction of all the components present in solution is 1. The sum of mole fractions of all the components in solution is 1. This is about the expression of concentration of solutions, and in my next lecture I will discuss about some more things. Okay, thank you.